Today, we're going to be talking about how to set up your own Microsoft Power BI environment so you can publish reports externally for a portfolio or a resume. So, if you're ready to publish your own reports to your own tenant, buckle up and stay tuned because that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. So, first things first, you're going to go to azure.microsoft.com and you're going to click Try Azure for free. This will sign you up for an Azure free account, which is essentially all that you're really going to need. Alternatively, if you don't want to sign up for this free account, you can also sign up for a pay as you go account, which will only charge you for Azure services that you consume. Just a fair warning, you will need a credit card for this part, and it will place a $1 temporary authorization hold onto your account. Once you have your account fully set up, you're going to go to portal.azure.com and it's going to give you the option to log in. If you don't have a domain registered with Azure, you'll get an on Microsoft.com domain. I do have a domain, so I can sign in right here with Edward at enterprisestrategies.com. Once this has logged me in, you'll essentially be brought to the Microsoft Azure portal. And from there, you can go ahead and you can configure additional users in the Active Directory or start other subscriptions. Now that you have your tenant and your subscription set up, you're then going to go to Power BI and you're going to go to sign in to Microsoft Power BI and select your newly created Azure account. So if I click right here, it's going to take a second and it's going to load and it's going to bring me to a page to sign up for a Microsoft Fabric trial. Once you've filled out the form, you're going to get this message as your Microsoft Power BI environment is provisioned. Eventually, you'll be brought to your newly created Microsoft Power BI free environment. Now, right now, this does not cost you any money. If you want to enable a trial, you can click right here on your user profile and you can request a free 60-day Microsoft Fabric trial. But if you're just wanting to host your own Power BI reports and publish them externally, you're pretty much good to go with this free account. You do, however, need to go into settings and admin portal and then search for the word embedded, and I'm going to misspell embedded, but go to embedded and go to publish for web and make sure that it's enabled. And you've also enabled the ability for users to create new embed codes and click apply. This will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes to apply in your tenant. However, the next step is pretty simple. Go into Power BI and sign in with the same account that you used to create your Microsoft Fabric free account. Open up a dashboard, hit publish to publish the dashboard up to the service, publish it on up, wait for the success message, then navigate to the dashboard, go file, embed report, publish to web public. You'll get a warning message and then you'll have to hit continue and then hit publish. And just like that, you'll now have a link that you can email or you can include on your resume. And with that, you now know how to share your dashboards that you've created for a portfolio or with a prospective employer. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. And with that, thanks for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day.